I'm actually super excited to show you guys our American Express earnings play today. Now, if you guys are in my free Facebook group, you guys will be able to get all my analysis, all my charts, same thing with my free Telegram group. You guys would have been able to see this. Also, it's super important that you guys are watching some of my most recent videos. If you guys want to watch my most recent videos, just scroll down in the details of this video. You'll see every single video, some of my top 4 that I'm recommending you guys. But American Express was so hot. I told all my members, we're going to get in this, and I told them last minute as well. I tend to like to get into stocks, a few weeks to a month before earnings even happen, so I have that wiggle room. But sometimes I'll get into stocks like last minute, like 5-10 minutes before the earnings even going. I like to bet on sure things in the market. So I knew that earnings for American Express, go ahead and scroll up, I knew everything was going to beat April 18th, 4 or 5 p.m. So this was aftermarket. So basically, when we were getting into this trade, the market closed at 1 p.m. here in California, and the earnings weren't going to come out until 1:05 p.m. So with that being said, at some point before that even happened, everything's cleared now because it's a new day. But when that happened, everything was green here. When I saw it, and I was just basing everything off expected quarterly revenue, I really liked everything. I did my research. I saw level 2. I saw a lot of big dogs putting call strikes to 98, 99. And with that being said, I knew there was a lot of buying volume. So another thing is this. So I got into American Express somewhere right here. Actually, if I go ahead and pull up this chart right here, I took a buy on American Express. The only reason why it's sitting as a loss right now is because when I bought it, I was sitting out of profit. Like, it was a very small loss, but with earnings, it shot everything up. So you can see I bought American Express. I bought at 95.16. And if we go ahead and come back here, I bought at 95.16, and we go to AXP, what it's going aftermarket, it's actually sitting at 98.95. So I bought at 95.16. Price is currently sitting at 98.95, up $3.80 per share, sitting almost 4% returns. I'm expecting to sit at like $99, $100 per share tomorrow come end of the day. But I really love investing in financial stocks. I really thought Q1 for American Express would be really good. So with that being said, on the 4-hour chart, I bought 95.16, and I had my stop loss actually. Let's go ahead and do this. So when I took a buy, let's just say I had it here. I had my stop loss down here. My take profit, of course, is going to be sitting up here like 100. So I have a pretty good risk-reward ratio. The time was ticking down. It came down to 5 minutes, 1 minute. I've moved my stop. It's like a 30-cent loss, 30 pips. I didn't even care. I knew that if the earnings was going to go against me, I'd take a small loss come market open. But I also knew that if I'm going to make a lot of money, price literally drove from our entry right here to about 98, 95, somewhere around that level. So now we're sitting in some pretty deep trades. My members got in this. I told them I just bought AXP, and I was walking through everyone. You guys are literally missing out if you guys aren't trading with me. I give my traders all these hot plays. We have a lot of hot earnings plays coming the rest of the month. We have Amazon, we have Apple, we have Boeing, General Electric. These are all trades that we're going to make money off the rest of this month. But I walked you guys through AXP, and let's keep on making some money the rest of the month.